everybody. You do it.
Okay, all right. What's up, everyone? So it's late on a what day is today?
Saturday.
What's up, everyone? It's late on a Saturday evening, and we have to prepare for a track day at Thunderhill. So we're trying to knock this out quick. It's going to be part one of an unboxing, and it's going to be a really fun unboxing because why? Come on. Don't leave them hanging.
Burberry Supreme?
Because we were able to get a couple of Burberry Supreme items at the actual drop, which is very incredible. And here they are unopened. You ready? You sure?
Yep.
You want to do it?
Nope.
All right. You want to go this one first?
Yeah.
You want to show the other one? All right, so we got that, we got this. Okay, you're hogging all the camera. You're hogging all the camera, son. Are you ready?
Oh, don't forget, be careful with that.
Are you ready? Oh shit, did I just cut the bag? I just cut the top off the bag. Oh, that was scary. At least I didn't cut the actual item. Oh my god. What are they doing? Oh. Tell me we got. I don't see them.
Oh, right here.
Yes! Oh my gosh. First of all, Supreme Smarties. We got Supreme Smarties. That is awesome. Second. Oh, just one. We only got one. Burberry Supreme bumper sticker. That's pretty cool. I was hoping we'd get a set with both colors though. And then just a couple of regular ones, but the item that matters, which I can't believe I cut into the freaking bag. Don't. Let's get this off nice. We can. This is the denim jacket. What do you think?
Oh, it's nice. It's mine, right?
I don't know about that. Wow. So, what's your initial impressions?
I like it.
All right. This is pretty amazing from a design standpoint to get the Burberry, what do you call it? A checkered pattern? A check pattern? Is there an official title for this?
There is, but I don't know it.
Well, to get the Burberry pattern onto a denim coat is just very cool. I actually personally wanted the pink one. I thought it was much more unique. But this is certainly much more traditional and yet still awesome because I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. And to top it off, the embroidery on the back is just pretty incredible, right?
It's well done.
The leather Burberry Supreme patch is also a really nice touch at the bottom here.
Should look at the buckles. You see the buckles?
Yep. One interesting thing, not that it matters too much, but what does that say?
Made in China?
Made in China. We're gonna have to check your other Burberry coats and see where they're made. Actually, I've got a few right here we could check. All right, you want to try it on? You want me to try it on?
You can try that.
What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is a winner?
Yes. Otherwise,
It's a little,
I might steal it then.
it's a little tough though. It's not like very soft, but it does look pretty good. All right, I think we won. I think we're gonna call this a keeper. Should we open this one? You wanna do it?
No.
All right.
Be careful with cutting.
There, you got it? What? What is going on here? Why did we not? Where is the other? I totally thought we were gonna get a pink one for this. Oh well. All right. What do we have here?
Pink Burberry Supreme trench.
How do we get it out? Is it taped? It's sealed, so you have to tear it open? I think you have to tear it open.
Tear it open. Got it?
It's not, you gotta open it. There we go. Alright, pull. What do you think? So, same embroidery as this, right?
Yep.
Same embroidery. Is that real leather? It better be real leather, right? But
You'd have to look.
it feels a little almost too soft. I think it's got to be real leather, but the collar, I hope it's real leather, is a very nice touch. I think the color is pretty incredible. You want to try this one on?
Sure.
You're too short for the camera. You want to help me with the buttons? Oh, and my favorite part that I forgot about is what? The inside liner is the Burberry print. I love that.
So it says me in England.
That's pretty cool. All right.
That's too big.
All right, let's see. Let's see if we can. Yeah, you're too short. You're too short. All right, let's trade. Oh, this one's so much more comfortable.
Oh, this one looks better on me.
All right, so I guess we'll go out like this then. So I like, the pockets are nice. You can go in from the side, you can go in from the top. What's that? Oh, Burberry embroidery right there. Oh, I like this. I like this one a lot. All right, I think I already know. If you had to pick, which one would you pick? Yeah, so it's kind of funny, but if I had to just pick one, I am picking this all day, every day. It's so much more comfortable. It's super unique. The color is amazing. This just hits on a whole nother level. All right, we good? All right, we're gonna get to sleep. Thanks for watching. We'll see you
In the next